Hello everybody, my name is Chef Mo. Today we have a special day. We have a lot of stuff to do. So we will have like a sushi. It will be tuna sushi. We will have like a crab sticks sushi and salmon. Plus our friend is sleeping. Hello, he's died. He was alive just 10 minutes ago, but now he's out. So also lobsters sushi. So the main ingredients will be the nori. This is very important to wrap the sushi, and the rice. The sushi rice, they have the special rice for that. You cannot use the long one. They have, like you see, short one and should be sticky. So we cook it after we put it like 10 minutes to relax. We add the rice vinaigrette for the rice just to make it more sticky. So what we use here, we use the bamboo. This is special for wrapping, and the cream cheese. So this is the lobster. This is we're done with it. So we will use it for the sushi now. So we need to slice it. Nori. The lobster sushi, perfecto. Voila. Okay.